don't know how well you can hear me, but I finally got this damn thing running right. She's got no leaks, no hesitation, no rattles, pings, knocks, nothing. I had a bit of a misfire, but now it only does that when it's super cold because I don't have a choke hooked up on it yet. But I just got done putting on trans cooler because the old radiator decided that it wanted to spring a leak up top, and JB Weld didn't fix it, Plumber's Tape didn't fix it. I just said screw it and found one on Craigslist, hacked up wires and ran them up above away from the exhaust down there. I know the wiring looks terrible. I'm going to take care of it at some point, but for right now nothing will burn up. It's all out of the way, so I'm happy. Yep, running really good. New transmission, new motor, new damn near everything except for the body and frame. So, well, thanks for checking it out.